Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add an address to Domino's Pizza account. Open the website dominos.com, then click on the option that says Sign in and earn rewards. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pizza Profile. On this tab, you will see a section for profile settings. On its lower right side, you will see an option for Edit. Click on Edit. Now, under Address Information, you will see an option for Add Address. Click on Add Address. Then fields will appear from which you could enter your address. After entering, click on the Save Address button. That's how you add an address to Domino's Pizza account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.